For families, executives, or anyone who wants to make an entrance, it's the ultimate American luxury EV. The Escalade IQ proves that big and green can go hand in hand. The future of American luxury is here, and it's electric. Jaguar is making a bold comeback in 2026 with a stunning all-electric four-door GT. Built on the new JEA platform, it promises dramatic proportions, minimalist lines, and aerodynamic efficiency. Targeting over 430 miles of range, it's set to rival the Mercedes EQS and Lucid Air. Expect a dual-motor setup with 575-plus horsepower and agile, responsive handling, true to Jaguar's performance DNA. The focus is on experience, beautiful materials, craftsmanship, and a driver-centric feel, not overwhelming screens. This GT is Jaguar's flagship for a new era: low volume, high luxury, and high ambition. It's a gamble, but if they nail it, it could be a true showstopper. Jaguar aims to blend classic British luxury with next-gen electric performance. It's a dark horse, but one of the most intriguing prospects for 2026. If executed right, it could be the perfect alternative to German and American rivals. Jaguar's electric GT is a statement, the brand's heritage, reinvented for the future.